I hear the whispers of the ancient tree, carried on the wings of the mountain breeze. They speak of rivers clean and strong and free, before the shadows fell on you and me. We walked on concrete, blinded by the light, forgot the starlight hid from the endless night. We built our kingdoms high and full of greed, but forgot the fragile, vital, sacred seed. Oh, look at your hands, what have they become? Marching to the beat of a hollow drum, searching for gold in a world of gray, while the soul of the forest fades away. The mountains are watching the ancestors cry in the reflection of a poisoned sky. But deep in your blood, the fire still glows. The wisdom of old, like a river, it flows.
Tribal drums' intensity increases. Strings and flutes start a rising harmony. Massive energy build up.
But now the drum beat calls from deep inside. A sleeping giant starts to open wide. The time has come to break the chains we bear, to breathe the wisdom rising in the air. Rise like the spirit of the eagle, strong and bold. A new horizon, a story to unfold. Open your eyes, awaken from the sleep, for Mother Earth, for promises to keep. Rise, rise. It's not too late to turn the tide, to cast the ego and the fear aside, to plant the forest, to clean the stream, to wake the world from this broken dream. One breath, one heart, one unified soul, to make the fractured spirit finally whole. The condor and eagle together they fly, reclaiming the glory of the endless sky. Hey Yahweh, great spirit, hear our call. Hey Yahweh.